Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem from topic the sphere. Question is given, find the equation of the sphere which passes through origin and intercepts the length A, B and C on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Find its center and radius. Let's solve the problem. General equation of a sphere is general equation of a sphere is x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Let this equation 1. And we have to draw the figure. Here this is y axis and this is x axis and this is z axis. Intercept x axis at A. This is x axis and this is point A, and for y axis this is B, this is y axis and this is point B, and for z axis here is point C. And we can also passes through origin. This is the origin. Origin point is given by 0, 0, 0, and intercept at x-axis, the coordinates of x-axis, this is given by a, 0, 0, and the coordinates of b, y-axis is given by 0, b, 0, and similarly for coordinates for z-axis is given by 0, 0, c, and it passes through the given sphere. First, given sphere passes through origin. This is 0, 0, 0. As earlier in the given question said, find the equation of a sphere which passes through origin and intercept the length ABC on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. First, we have to given sphere passes through origin. We get here x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. So we have to put in place of x 0, y is 0, z is 0. Here 2ux is also 0 and 2vy is also 0 and 2wz is also 0. From here we get d is equal to 0. Similarly, sphere passes through x-axis. This is given by points a, 0, 0. Here a is x and y is 0 and z is 0. So we have to put it in the given sphere. We get here a square, y is 0, z is 0. Here 2ux. In place of x we have to put a plus of 2ua, and 2vy is also 0, 2wz is also 0, and d is earlier we have to let when passes through origin we get d is equal to 0. We get a square plus of 2ua is equal to 0, and from here we get a square is equal to minus of 2ua, and a to a is cancelled out, and from here we have to get u is equal to minus of a by 2. Here we have to cancel out the terms. A square to a, remaining is a here, and a is minus of 2u minus 2u square to a. From here u is equal to minus a upon 2. Similarly, it passes through y-axis. Y-axis point is given by 0, b, 0. Here x is 0, y is b and z is 0. So we have to put in x is 0, y is b. So we have to write in here b square, and z is also 0. 2ux is 0, 2vy. Here 2v plus of 2v and y is here b. 2VB is equal to 0. 2WZ is 0 and D is earlier 0. From here we have to get B square is equal to minus of 2VB, and B to B square is cancelled out. Here is B, and from here we get V is equal to minus of B by 2. Similarly, it is passes through Z axis. It passes through Z axis, and the coordinates of Z axis is given by 0, 0, C here, and x here, x is 0, y is 0, and z is C. And so we have to putting in the given sphere, we get z is x is 0, y is 0, z is C. So we have to write here C square plus of 2ux is also 0, because here coordinates of x is 0, y 2by is also 0, 2wz here z is C. So we have to write here plus of 2wc is equal to 0, and from here we have to get c square is equal to minus of 2wc, and c to c square is cancelled out. Here is c, and we get w is equal to minus of c by 2. Putting the value of u, v and w in the given sphere, putting here we get, putting the value of u, v and w in equation 1, we get the equation of a sphere which passes through OABC. We get equation of a sphere. We get here, when we have to putting here, this is x square plus of y square plus of z square, and in place of u we have to putting u is equal to minus of a by 2. Here we have to putting here minus of a by 2. A 2 to 2 is cancelled out, we get minus of ax. Similarly for v is equal to minus of b by 2. Here 2 to 2 is cancelled out, we get minus of by. And similarly for z, here w is equal to minus of c by 2. 2 to 2 is cancelled out, we get minus of cz, and d is equal to 0. So we have to get here, this is the equation of a sphere which passes through the points O, A, B, C. And in the given question said, find the equation of a sphere which passes through origin and intercept the length ABC on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Find its center and radius. So we have to find from here, this is the equation of a sphere which passes through the length ABC and x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and we have to find the radius of the given sphere and center. First we have to find the center. We have to find the center. Center is given by minus of u, minus of v, minus of w, and we get here, once again we have to find the equation of a sphere which passes through, and from here comparing u is equal to minus of a. Here we have to, once again, this is the equation of a sphere which passes through the given coordinates, and we have to find the center which passes through origin and x-axis for coordinates of a and y-axis for b and z-axis for b. Here we have to getting here u minus v minus of w, and we have to find the value of u is here minus of a by 2, and so we have to here minus of u is here, so we have to write here plus of a by 2. Similarly for v, here v is equal to minus of b by 2, so we have to write here plus of b by 2. And similarly for w, here w is c by 2, we have to write here minus plus, this is c by 2. This is the center of the sphere which passes through the origin and intercept the length ABC on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Further we have to find radius. We have to find the radius. Radius is given by is given by under root of u square. U square is u is minus 1 by a by 2. We get a square by 4. A square by 4 and v is minus of b by 2. On a squaring we get v square by 4. Similarly for z, this is c square by 4 and minus of d. Here d is 0, so we have to writing here r is equal to under root of a square plus of b square plus of c square by 4, and we have to take in under root of 1 by 4 is taking common. We get r is equal to 1 by 2 under root of a square plus of b square plus of c square. This is the required radius of the given sphere, and this is the required center of the given sphere. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.